Sabi po ng isang kanta, You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on, and no one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide, make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. Mga kapatid, tandaan nyo it is Jesus who pushed us up kapag ka nararamdaman nating nanghihina tayo. It is Jesus who fill us up kapag ka nararamdaman nating empty tayo. It is Jesus. And always Jesus na mag-aalaga, na hindi magpapabaya, na palaging kakalinga sa atin sa tuwing tayo'y nangangailangan. It is Jesus. Amen? Malakas na palakpak para sa ating Panginoon.